Now I am going to present a paper on women in Tripathi's Immortals of Meluha. Tripathi's women characters stand on par with men. They are adept in all skills and have knowledge in all spheres such as education, medicine, and martial arts. In Immortals of Meluha, Tripathi introduces women characters who enjoy an equal status with men. They prove their efficiency in education, administration, and valor. They are self reliant, and a husband can entirely rely on his wife for assistance. In Immortals of Meluha, the hero Shiva gets support from wife Sati at the time of crisis. She is respected and honored by Shiva as his equal. Sati is portrayed as a princess who is valiant and a good counselor who rules the country with Lord Ram's scruples. She is noted for her humility but never loses her self respect. By creating the character Sati, Tripathi has voiced against the injustice caused to women in the present society. He supports widow remarriage and recreates all the women characters from the Indian myths, especially his women characters. His characters such as Anandamayi, Ayurvadi, Kanakagala, and Kritika are highlighted as empowered women who are noted for their physical, intellectual, and administrative skills. They are admired for their abilities, but they are not discriminated on the basis of gender. Anandamayi is applauded for her dance and valor. Ayurvadi is a celebrated physician. Kanakagala is an efficient prime minister noted for her administrative skills. Tripathi's women characters are strong with their courageousness, determination, and righteousness. Through creating such strong women characters, the writer aspires for an ideal society in which there is no violence against women. Hence, he creates strong women characters who fight against the violence inflicted on them. Tripathi himself endorses this idea as, quote, any society which has faced a lot of violence tends to be patriarchal. If you study the versions of our epics, our myths from an earlier era, it would not be so out of the ordinary to find very strong women. So, my stories with very strong women characters, I would suggest, are more true to our ancient way. Unquote. Thus, Tripathi, through Immortals of Meluha, dreams of an egalitarian society where both men and women together strive for the peaceful coexistence.